East India Company trade in India. East India Company started its first factory in West Bengal on the banks of the river Hooghly in 1651. As trade developed, the company asked local merchants who acted as middlemen for them to come and settle near the factory. By 1696, the company built a fort around the settlement of merchants. In 1698, the company got zamindari rights for 3 villages from the Mughal ruler. Soon the company got the rights to trade without paying any taxes from Emperor Aurangzeb. The demands of the Nawabs against the East India Company. The Nawabs asked the company to stop minting their own coins. They wanted the company to pay revenue for the rights to trade in India. They also stopped the company from extending its fortification. They blamed the company for insulting the government officials and not respecting the authority of the Nawabs. These conflicts between the Nawabs and the company official resulted in the famous Battle of Plassey.